In 2019, we turned the plumbing industry upside down with our stainless steel crimp PEX fittings. In 2023, we pushed the envelope further with our stainless steel cold expansion fittings. And now, we're doing it again. Boshart Industries is proud to introduce the stainless steel push fitting. Cue the intro. Now, if you're a plumber with a brain and a pulse, you'll know that Boshart Industries has been revolutionizing the water well and plumbing industries for years. We're not stupid. You're not going to plumb an entire house with these fittings. Although you could. For most plumbers, our stainless steel PEX fittings will do the job. So if you're into remodels, repairs, or anything else, you're gonna love our stainless steel push fittings. You should know, these aren't just brass push fittings cast in stainless steel. We've completely redesigned these babies to improve on the best of the best in the market.
And in this corner we have the defending brass body champion. And in this corner the up-and-coming star stainless steel.
This isn't a brass knockoff. This is 100% stainless steel fitting, not brass and stainless steel. Why? Because stainless steel kicks the crap out of brass.
Let's get ready.
Now, we're not saying it's a competition. There's a time and a place for both. But if it was, I know who my money would be on. If you're worried about corrosion of any kind, stainless steel wins every time. Even no-leaded brass can contain up to 15% zinc, which can cause issues in your system. Think you're getting a great product, when in reality, that zinc is waiting to mess your stuff up. Guys, dezinkification will give you warranty claims. We know that time is money, so you need the best of the job to have your profit margin and your video studio. You can connect nearly anything with stainless steel push fittings. Still working with copper? There's a fitting for that. PEX, CPVC, PERT, there's a fitting for that. And here's the best part. Trick question. They're all the same fitting. No matter what you're trying to connect, Boshart Industries stainless steel push fittings can probably do it. And do it with style. Our patented sweep elbows means no turbulence in turns. If there's one place in your plumbing system that's likely to lose speed, it's those hard 90s. Just watch this example of our stainless steel PEX fittings. I think the results speak for themselves. Now, of course, we know what the usual arguments are that the other guys say.
Nobody plumbs like that.
This wasn't a pressurized test.
Dude, we know. We've seen the YouTube comments. We've done our own testing in a pressurized environment. This is just a visual, so relax. Truth is, it's easier to do a turn in a rounded turn than it is in a hard one. Just ask anybody who's cruised through a stop sign. Ball valves, get your ball valves. Best ball valves in the market. Yes, our stainless steel PEX ball valves, available in both crimp and cold expansion, are taking over the market. We've taken that same design and have applied it to our stainless steel push fittings. Everything you love about our stainless steel PEX ball valves are now in a push fitting format. Know what the perceived problem is with most push fittings? People seem to think that they leak because of a bad mechanical connection. A big reason why they leak is because the PEX pipe isn't perfectly around, with the O-ring making an imperfect connection. How do we fix that? We use a stiffener. The stiffener sits inside the fitting and keeps the PEX pipe round, which means it allows for a really good seal. That's how you can install these puppies and not feel nervous having them behind the wall. Some brands don't believe in stiffeners. They think they're redundant, though they may still include them in the baggie. Ours come pre-installed so you don't drop them on the floor when you want to connect. Our fittings have a 360-degree locking collar instead of those 4 dinky little tabs. We designed a new manufacturing process so that the metal collar can be wrapped around the fitting so that it doesn't go anywhere. Like a vicious dog on a leash, you don't want him taking off unless you release him. Our fittings, they're the same way. And lastly, all the usual stuff about push fittings. You don't need any tools to install them. We've made it easier than our brass push fittings, and you can even connect with a wet pipe. Most impressive of all, our fittings have a 25-year warranty and our ball valves have a 5-year warranty. We talked about giving you a product that's the best of the best, and we meant it. And those are the Boshart Industries all stainless steel push fittings. That's right, all stainless steel push fittings. Not brass and stainless, all stainless steel push fittings. Oh. We know you're gonna love them. My mom loves them, and she's never wrong. Love you, Mom. If you want to know more about our stainless steel push fittings, head to Boshart.com. Available now at a wholesaler near you.